In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add members to an Outlook group efficiently. This process is straightforward and only takes a few moments of your time. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to log in to your Outlook account. This is the step where you'll input your credentials to access your email workspace. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main Outlook homepage, where you can see your emails, calendar, contacts, and more. Next, look for the Groups option in the navigation pane on the left side of your screen and click on it. This is where you will manage any groups you are a part of, as well as create new ones. Clicking on Groups will lead you to a new page dedicated to your group management functionalities. Now that you're on the Groups page, take a moment to locate the specific group you wish to add members to. You can do this by scrolling through your list of groups or using the search bar for quicker access if you have many groups. Once you find the group you're interested in, simply click on the group's name. This action will open up additional information and options related to that specific group. With the group page open, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll see 3 dots, often referred to as the More Options icon. Go ahead and click on these dots. This will unveil a drop-down menu that presents you with several options for group management, one of which is Add Members. Click on the Add Members option. At this point, a new window or dialog box will appear, allowing you to add new individuals to your group. You'll see a field where you can enter the email address of the person you want to invite. Make sure you enter the correct email address to avoid any future communication mishaps. After entering the email addresses, it's time to finalize the addition by clicking on the Add button located at the bottom of the dialog box. Doing this will send an invitation to the email addresses you entered, adding them to your Outlook group. And that's it. You've successfully added new members to your Outlook group. This can be particularly useful when you want to streamline communication and collaborate more effectively with your team or community. If you ever need to make changes, such as adding more members or removing someone, you can return to these steps and make the necessary adjustments. Hopefully, this step-by-step guide has made the process clearer and easier to execute. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!